Hi, I'm Brian Spear, co-founder of Sunrise Capital Investors. If you've spent any time with our team, you know we're fanatically focused on one thing: consistent, long-term performance. And that doesn't start with deals, it starts with structure. Because in our world, how investors get paid matters just as much as what they're investing in. Fund 5 is designed with one purpose in mind: to deliver durable, predictable income and long-term wealth creation in a structure that puts our investors first. Here's how the fund works and exactly how you get paid. Fund 5 is a true growth and income vehicle. On the income side, we've assembled a portfolio of structured parking garages in irreplaceable downtown locations, assets that generate steady, high-margin cash flow from day one. And on the growth side, we've focused on mobile home parks, one of the most resilient, mispriced asset classes in America, where operational improvements translate directly into long-term equity gains. Together, these two asset types complement each other beautifully. Parking delivers near-term yield, and MHPs drive long-term value. You get the benefit of both. Every dollar that you invest goes into a single pool. That means whether a garage in Charlotte is outperforming or a mobile home park in Fort Wayne hits stabilization early, you share in all of it. To reward our most committed investors, Fund 5 is structured with tiered investment classes, each offering a fixed preferred return that accrues every quarter. In Class A, there's a $100,000 minimum investment amount for an 8% preferred return. Class B is a $250,000 minimum with a 9% preferred return, and Class C has a $1 million minimum investment amount and a 10% preferred return. Let's pause there. The preferred return is not hypothetical. It's paid quarterly based on actual distributable cash flow. And it's cumulative, meaning if one quarter comes in light, you're owed the balance before we ever participate over here at Sunrise. That structure means you're getting paid first every time. And if you're a high-tier investor, you're earning a higher fixed return before any profit sharing ever begins. Now, let's talk about how profits flow once the fund starts realizing gains. Here's the full waterfall structure in plain English. First, 100% of operating cash flow goes towards returning your original invested capital. We get your chips off the table as quickly as possible. Then you receive your fixed preferred return every quarter before we participate in any of the upside. Once your capital is fully returned and you've received your full preferred return, you receive 70% of all remaining profits, and the other 30% goes to Sunrise as the sponsor. So why does this matter? Because we only win if you win first. We don't get paid from financial engineering. Our upside comes after your return is met and your capital is fully back in hand. That is true alignment, designed to reward consistency, not speculation. What does this look like over time? Our target for Fund 5 is an investor-level annual return of 14 to 18%, net of fees and sponsor participation. That includes both the preferred return and the long-term upside from value creation at the asset level. And because this fund is diversified across two stable, cash-flowing asset classes, that IRR is underpinned by real income, not a backloaded exit fantasy. We've structured Fund 5 to be cash flow positive from day one, resilient across cycles, tax advantaged through depreciation and cost segregation, and most importantly, predictable in how and when it pays investors. Fund 5 isn't just another real estate fund, it's the product of 15 years of refining a playbook that works through bull markets, bear markets, and everything in between. We've now closed 3 fully subscribed funds. We've delivered over 30 straight quarters of on-time, in-full distributions, and we've never had to pause, restructure, or retrade a single deal. Fund 5 carries that same DNA, backed by real assets, real income, and a structure built for long-term, tax-efficient wealth. So if you're looking for a place to allocate capital where the strategy is proven, the cash flow is real, and the alignment is rock solid, we'd love to welcome you to Fund 5.